So I'm pretty excited right now because my ADO A20 e-bike has just arrived, and I'm going to unbox it first up. Delivery was quick, which is great, only a couple of days, so I'm excited to get on and see what it's like. So that's the contents of the box, and now to assemble. So all I've done so far is just remove all the packing material, and it looks like it's almost ready to go. I just need to fit the seat, the headset and the pedals, and there's actually a little toolkit there which it looks like I'm going to need to tighten the headset and the pedals. So let's see how we go. Well, I can really say that was only about 5 minutes to unbox and ready for the road. Before I take it out, I'm going to give it a charge. Not that you have to, but I always like to charge things first, and then I'll get some pics of it actually in action. So I think we've both decided one of our favourite features is the horn. So I'm just going to run through some of the features on the bike. And first, very helpful, it has this kickstand, so I'm going to use that right now. It has the already featured horn. It's got lights that come on and are connected to the battery. Very powerful lights, that's good. It comes with this phone holder that was packaged, which was quite a surprise. I didn't know that was going to be in there, but it's very useful. And this Shimano gears, which actually work better than any other bike I've got. So I can definitely recommend those, they're very good. So I was just going to run through some of the features on this controller here. So you power it on first of all, and then you've got 3 battery speeds or powers. That's on low at the moment, up to 3, and low goes up to 15k an hour, and I think some of the others are have a bit more speed and a bit more power to them. You just select whichever's good for you. There's some features at the bottom here. If you just press the power button, you can scroll through different trip counters, see the level of the battery and the time as well, which is wrong, but you can do that. And just a little useful feature, which I need an assistant to show you. If you press and hold in the minus button, it will go into push mode, which means if you've got to push it a long way, it assists itself. Just going to give you a little feel of what it feels like on speed level 3. It cuts in at about 7k, so about 4 miles an hour, and then it will take you up to 25. So here we go. So as you can see, it's pretty fast and a lot of fun. So I'm just going to show you now how to fold the bike up. Pedals. Headset. Little safety here, just have to release that. That's it, handy little carry handle here. So we've come to another steep hill. I guess that's why you buy an e-bike, but it definitely makes easy work of these hills.